Daily driver Mustang. This is what motors are for. Well, the brakes seem to be actually alright and the pad material seems to be alright, but I noticed they were binding last year, so I'm going to change both the brake calipers, and then I know that everything's all free and easy, and then I can start on the rear again. I work out what's wrong. That's a brand new caliper there. These are MGB calipers, so it's a big upgrade. Used to upgrade these in Hillman Hunters as well. You love a bit of ratchet action, don't you? Yeah. What I'll do is I'll take the bleed nipple off, slacken it, and then attach it to the brake hose, and then it should gravity bleed through there. Well, new caliper's on. I'm going to have to rotate the brake line because it's kind of a bit tied up. I want to try and keep it away from the coilover, so I'm going to have to loosen this with a massive, I think it's about a 27 spanner on that goes on that. Well, we're just going to try a bit of new caliper on near side front. Just going to see if I can bed in the new brakes. Near side front, new caliper, new pads. Shite, absolutely shite. Nothing on the left at all. Well, I put a new brake caliper on the near side front in the Morris with new pads which are soft, not bedded in, and I made the brakes worse. So I know I'm on the right track. It's a case of bleeding that up again, getting them bedded in, and then I can do the other side. I still think there's something going on with the servo, because when I put the choke in, the brakes are better. So might be a case of just blocking off the servo and see if I can get my brakes back. If it's a bad servo, that actually means a lot. That's how I'm not getting proper feel. But I think it's a tomorrow day job, because I've not been feeling well and that place shuts. So maybe just go around first thing in the morning and do some more on it. Well, that's a new caliper on, new pads. So hopefully that's, I'm going to take it around the yard and hopefully we'll get a good sharp brake on that. I'm going to bed it in and then do the other side. I managed to unfangle the hose, the brake hose. There's no leaks or anything like that from anywhere, so just that's renew the front and then I'll see what's going on with the back. You love a bit of ratchet action, don't you?